Today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto lock screen timing in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to fix or change or customize your auto lock screen timing in your Windows 11, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Just click on this window button here, click on settings. Now once you are in settings, just go to system and go to power and battery. And in power and battery, you have to select screen, sleep, or hibernate timeouts. Now once you are here, you have to select turn my screen off after, and you have to select the time after which time you want to make your screen completely sleep. And here make my device sleep after, and from here you have to select your own time. And it's for plugged in if you're using a laptop, so you might also get the battery option here, so you can also change it from here. Once you have done, now you can adjust your screensaver. You just have to press the button and just search for screensaver, and you might see the screen change screensaver. You might get that here. Now once you are here, you have to click on this screensaver, and you can select the screensaver which you want, and there's a wait time, so you can adjust by your own time. It's a wait and minutes, so you have to enter your own time here. Or if you want to completely disable your screensaver, like you don't want to use your screensaver, so you just have to click on this none option. And once you have selected, just click apply and then click OK. Now your screen share will be completely disabled and your issue will be completely fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.